Transforming your wildest ideas into stunning videos with just a few words or images sounds futuristic, right? In this video, we're diving into the game-changing Kling 1.6 update, the ultimate AI video generator that takes text to video and image to video creativity to the next level. Stick around as we explore powerful prompts and features that will redefine how you create content. On December 18th, Kling AI dropped another bombshell Kling AI V1.6 groundbreaking update that's set to revolutionize the way you think about video creation. Welcome to the Kling AI homepage. If you're visiting Kling AI for the first time, you'll need to create an account to get started. Don't worry, Kling AI offers a complimentary 366 credit trial, giving you a chance to explore its features at no cost. Once you're logged in, you'll see your personalized dashboard. To begin creating videos, navigate to the AI video section by clicking here. Now, you're in the video generator interface. On the top left corner of this page, you'll find the Kling Video Generation model selector. For this demonstration, we'll choose the Kling 1.6 model from the available options. If you'd like to use Kling AI's text-to-video feature, simply select the text-to-video option. Alternatively, if you want to transform an image into a video, choose the image-to-video option. Let's start with the text-to-video tool. This is the prompt box, where you can bring your creative ideas to life. All you need to do is type a simple description of your concept. But what if you're out of ideas? No problem. To spark inspiration, I visited Flux Ultra, a platform to stay updated on the latest trends and scenarios happening around the world. While exploring, I found an image and an accompanying prompt. I copied the prompt and decided to refine it for better results. Next, I headed over to ChatGPT to enhance the prompt for creating a more engaging video. After pasting the prompt into ChatGPT, I let it generate an improved version, which I then used in Kling AI. Once the prompt was ready, I simply hit enter to get started. ChatGPT has provided us with a well-designed and creative prompt tailored for Kling AI's text-to-video tool. I'll now copy this enhanced prompt and paste it into the text-to-video prompt box. Once the prompt is entered, the next step is to navigate to the settings section. Here, you can customize various parameters to fine-tune your video creation, ensuring it matches your vision perfectly. In the settings, the first option you'll encounter is the creativity level. Adjusting this slider determines how the video interprets your prompt. Sliding it to the left increases creativity, resulting in a more abstract and imaginative video. Sliding it to the right ensures the video adheres more strictly to your prompt. For this demonstration, I'll set it to a moderate level for a balanced output. Next, you'll see the mode options: standard and professional. The professional mode offers higher quality video generation, perfect for polished outputs. However, it requires more credits and a bit more time to process. After selecting the mode, you'll find the video duration setting. In professional mode, you can create videos up to 10 seconds in length. For this example, let's generate a full 10-second video. The next step is to set the aspect ratio for your video. Kling AI offers multiple options, including landscape, portrait, and square formats. For this demonstration, I'll choose the landscape option, as it works best for widescreen presentations. After selecting the aspect ratio, you can specify the number of videos to generate simultaneously. Kling AI allows you to create up to 4 videos at a time, a unique feature that sets it apart from other platforms. Moving further, you'll notice camera controls in the settings. However, since the Kling 1.6 model does not support this feature, we'll need to skip it for now. The Kling 1.6 model introduces another fascinating feature: negative prompts. This allows you to specify elements you don't want in your video. If you're unsure of the exact wording for these prompts, don't worry, I'll consult ChatGPT generate a list of appropriate negative prompts for AI video generation. Once I have the list, I'll copy it and paste it into the respective box for negative prompts. With everything set up, the next step is to hit the Generate button. As the video rendering process takes some time, I'll fast forward this part for you. And here it is, the video is ready. Take a look at the quality, it's absolutely stunning. Can you believe this isn't real footage but something entirely crafted by AI? Notice how there's no evidence of morphing, unusual movements, or unnatural objects. The results are incredibly realistic and seamless. Now, let's compare this with the quality of videos generated by the same prompt using the older Kling 1.5 and Kling 1.0 models. The difference is striking, with Kling 1.6 delivering far superior results. With Kling 1.6, you can now create dynamic, visually consistent, and truly impressive videos using nothing more than a simple prompt. It's a game changer for video creation. Now, let's discuss another significant update in Kling 1.6, the ability to create stunning camera shots. While you can't directly control camera movement within the interface, you can achieve it effectively through the prompt itself. Let me explain how. According to the Kling AI guide, there are a few essential rules to follow when crafting a prompt for this purpose. Interestingly, I covered these concepts in detail in one of my earlier videos titled How to Create Cinematic Movies with Your Custom Character Using Flux Pulid and Haluo AI. It seems Kling AI is now adopting a similar approach. To ensure your prompt is effective, structure it is using the following formula: subject, subject movement, scene, camera, lighting, atmosphere. By following this framework, you can write precise and creative prompts that result in cinematic and dynamic videos. Now, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Kling AI to create a prompt for an AI-generated video. Let's take an example: a beautiful woman on a beach playing volleyball. To generate a high-quality prompt, I'll consult ChatGPT, providing all the details from the Kling AI guide, which includes the formula: subject, subject movement, scene, camera, lighting, atmosphere. I'll paste all the necessary information from the Kling AI guide into ChatGPT and ask it to craft a suitable prompt for this scenario. ChatGPT will generate a detailed and creative prompt following these guidelines. The initial prompt is quite long, so I'll ask ChatGPT to refine it, keeping the word count between 200 to 220 words, since this is the maximum length Kling AI can process effectively. ChatGPT provided the revised prompt, but I'll double-check the word count for accuracy. The prompt contains 231 words, slightly exceeding the limit, so I'll make minor adjustments before pasting it into Kling AI. After ensuring the prompt meets the word count requirement, I paste it into Kling AI, and now it's ready to generate the video. After entering the prompt and adjusting all the settings, the final step is to hit the generate button, and here it is, the video is ready. Look at the result, it's absolutely incredible. The video perfectly captures the essence of the prompt. I'm genuinely impressed with how well it turned out. It's a flawless example of a tracking shot. Using the same method, you can create any kind of scene with various camera techniques. For instance, let me share another example: two Tahitian women over 40 sitting peacefully on a tropical beach during the golden hour. Their weathered faces quietly reflect resilience and a deep connection to nature. The tranquil setting, enriched with earthy tones and vibrant blues, feels like a post-impressionist painting brought to life, with a charming, childlike watercolor aesthetic. Kling 1.6 captured this vision perfectly, producing an exquisitely detailed scene. But Kling AI isn't limited to cinematic or story-driven scenes. You can also create dynamic animated clips. For example, I entered a prompt describing a 3D character, a woman and her son, walking through a park with their playful puppy. After setting up the prompt and hitting generate, the resulting video was stunning. Just look at it. It's hard to believe this video clip was created entirely by AI. It resembles something produced in a professional animation studio, showcasing Kling 1.6's incredible potential for both cinematic storytelling and dynamic animation. As of now, Kling AI includes a highly advanced lip sync feature, allowing you to create fully animated AI 3D movies directly within the Kling AI Video Generator. If you'd like to learn how to utilize this feature in detail, let me know in the comments section, and I'll make a dedicated video just for that. Now that we've covered the text to video generator, let's move on to the image to video generator. To get started, click on the Image to Video tab here. You'll now see the option to upload an image. Simply click on it and select the image you want to use. After uploading your image, you'll notice the option to add an end frame. However, as of now, Kling 1.6 does not support this feature. To use the end frame option, you'll need to switch to Kling 1.5 or Kling 1.0. Let's proceed with the latest model to see what it can do. Once your image is uploaded, you have the choice to add an additional prompt or skip this step. For the best results, I recommend adding a detailed prompt to ensure the generated video aligns with your creative vision. After entering your prompt, adjust the settings including the motion brush, creativity mode, video duration, and generation count. Customize these settings to suit your needs. Once everything is ready, hit the generate button and wait for the video to render. In just a few moments, your AI-generated video will be ready to view. And here is the resulting video. It's simply amazing. The output looks like a cinematic masterpiece, with stunning visuals and seamless motion. Now, let's test Kling 1.6 without adding any prompt. I'll upload the same image, remove the prompt entirely, and hit the generate button without altering any other settings. And here's the video generated without a prompt. The result is still impressive. The video looks great, and I absolutely love it. This shows that Kling 1.6 can deliver exceptional results even without a detailed prompt, making it highly versatile. Here's another video I created using Kling 1.6. Take a look at the remarkable video quality and the professional-level camera work. Kling AI truly exceeded expectations with this one. It's safe to say that, as of now, Kling 1.6 is one of the best AI video generator models on the market. Its ability to produce cinematic, dynamic, and visually stunning videos sets it apart from the competition. If you're searching for a top-tier AI video generator, don't forget to give Kling AI a try. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Also, you'll find the link to Kling AI in the video description for easy access. During my analysis of Learnify AI, I found that an incredible 90% of viewers haven't subscribed to the channel yet. If you found this video helpful, I encourage you to take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon. This ensures you'll never miss any of our upcoming content. Your support means the world to us. It not only helps the channel grow, but also inspires us to keep delivering informative, engaging, and high-quality videos just for you. If you're curious about free voiceovers for life, no sign-up required, Pop AI, click on the video on the left. Or, if you're ready to explore uncensored AI video generator, click on the video on the right. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.